Unlocking the phrase, set a pace. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a common English phrase, set a pace. Whether you're a runner, a reader, or just racing through life, understanding this phrase can help you communicate your goals and actions more clearly. Let's get started. Set a pace means to establish a consistent speed or level of progress that can be maintained over a period of time. It's often used in the context of physical activities like running or cycling, but it can also apply to work, study, and other areas of life. Setting a pace is about finding a comfortable rhythm that allows for efficiency without causing burnout. Let's see, set a pace in action. In a marathon, runners set a pace to ensure they don't tire too quickly. A project manager may set a pace for a team to meet deadlines with quality work. An author might set a pace of writing a chapter per week to finish their book on time. Understanding the context can help you use this phrase appropriately in various situations. Setting a pace is crucial because it helps you achieve long-term goals without overwhelming yourself. It's a balance between speed and stamina, and it's essential for sustaining effort in any long-duration task. By setting a pace, you're planning for success. This phrase has transcended beyond its literal meaning. In everyday language, it could mean setting the tone for how you want a meeting to go or establishing expectations for a relationship. When you set a pace, you're essentially laying down a foundation for how you proceed. Thanks for watching. Remember, set a pace is all about creating a sustainable speed that you can maintain. Whether you're running a race, completing a project, or learning a new skill, setting a pace can help you reach the finish line with energy to spare. Keep practicing, and you'll find the perfect pace for every challenge. See you in the next video.